Hey everyone, I'm Brittany, and today we will be unboxing COLTENE's Biosonic US200 ultrasonic scaler. So when you first open your box, you will notice the user manual is on top and your unit is front and present. Lift that top lid, remove the unit, and place it off to the side. You will unfold the bottom packaging, and here are all the goodies. So inside you have your power cable, your handpiece, your foot pedal, your water line, and also included we have additional O-rings, filters, and reusable autoclavable sheets. And deep down inside is your insert. Now that you have unboxed your unit, let's assemble it. So spin your unit around. Let's start with the power source. You will notice that it comes in two separate pieces, so let's assemble that first. You will plug this in and hear a snap. You will then place this thin plug into the back of the machine. Next is our water line. You will take this blunt cut tip and place it into the orange water connector. Press snugly to ensure no leakage. Next is our foot pedal. The foot pedal is an incredible little plug. There is an arrow on top to indicate where you insert. Again, you will hear a snap. Last but not least, we will plug in our handpiece. Just like the foot pedal, we also have an arrow indicating insertion. You will place this into the front of the machine, snapping it into place, and you are now ready to go. So to get started, you will turn the unit on. The green light will indicate proper setup. You will then turn the water knob until you find an adequate water flow. Hold your handpiece in an upright position, preferably over a sink. You might make a mess. Depress the foot pedal and the water will begin to rise. Now, before you put your insert on, you want to be sure to flush these lines for at least 2 minutes. Once the water has risen and the lines are flush, you will take your insert, depress it into the handpiece in a twisting motion, and you're ready to go. What's unique about the Biosonic US200 is that every time you depress the foot pedal, the unit recognizes whether you're using a 25 or 30K insert. It sounds like this. To achieve normal mode, simply depress the foot pedal lightly, and this will be indicated by a green light on the Biosonic unit. To achieve turbo mode, press the pedal down all the way, and that green light will now turn orange.